You can imagine. All they have is money. And I'm wondering, we are so overwhelmed by quantity. How many of you have an iPhone 6? God, which yuga am I sitting in? Looks like I'm sitting in Satya Yuga. How many of you have a Samsung? How many have a Samsung with 128 GB storage on the phone? Quantity matters so much to us. स्टोरेज स्पेस बढ़ाओ फोन पे. अरे क्या दुनिया का नंबर रखेगा क्या उसमें? सब दुनिया भर का नंबर आएगा उसमें. स्टोरेज स्पेस बढ़ाओ उसका फोन का. You know, so overwhelmed by quantity. But quality of life suffers very badly in this Kali Yuga. People are stressed, depressed, yet well dressed. Stressed and depressed, yet well dressed. So spiritual knowledge looks at quality, material knowledge looks at quantity, and we need a balance of both. The third is material knowledge simply makes you prove to the world कि मैंने कुछ कर दिखाया है. आप क्या समझते हैं? Sure. I couldn't go to the Indian cricket team. ठीक है. लेकिन गली में तो खेलता ही है हम. Try to prove to the world. है ना? दुनिया को दिखाना चाहते हैं हम. फर्स्ट क्यों आना चाहते हो? अरे फर्स्ट आओ ना. कम फर्स्ट बाय योर मेरिट. दुनिया को दिखाने के लिए फर्स्ट मत आओ. You want to get a great job? Na, get a great job. Who's stopping you? Don't do it to prove to the world that you're great. Your greatness will be seen by the world. You don't have to prove to the world that you're great. The problem is everyone is overwhelmed by this thing that I want to prove that I am the best. You don't prove by telling and showing off. You prove by doing things in an excellent way. When you live by excellence, you automatically prove to the world. You know, you don't have to do anything separately to prove to the world that I've done something and I'm great. है ना? Impress करना चाहते हैं सबको. वैलेंटाइन डे पे भाड़े के गाड़ी में जाता है. थैंक गॉड जूता तो खुद का है. कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स क्या इंप्रेस करेंगे? वन गाय वाज आस्किंग अनदर गाय, तेरे फोन में क्या क्या है बोल. तो बोला मेरे फोन में कैमरा है, मेरे फोन में मेमोरी कार्ड है, मेरे फोन में वोडाफोन का सिम है, मेरे फोन में ये है, इतना कांटेक्ट हुआ. तेरे पास क्या है? वो बोला मेरे फोन में बैलेंस है. स्टूडेंट्स का तो बैलेंस भी जीरो होता है कई बार. And therefore, it's not about proving to the world. Material knowledge makes us prove and spiritual knowledge makes us improve. Don't try to prove. Try to improve, and when you improve, automatically proof comes to the world. If you improve, दुनिया को दिखता नहीं है क्या? अंधे हैं क्या तो लोग दुनिया में? People all can see very clearly. Try to improve in your life, and that was the difference between Karna and Arjuna. Karna was trying to prove, Arjuna was trying to improve. When you try to prove, there is pratiyogita. When you try to improve, there is pratiyogita with yourself. दूसरों के साथ प्रतियोगिता मत कीजिए. खुद के साथ प्रतियोगिता कीजिए, और खुद के साथ प्रतियोगिता होकर इंप्रूव करोगे ना, तो क्रिकेट की प्रतियोगिता में जाओगे तो भी एक्सेल करोगे. अलग से प्रूव करने का जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा. As the third aspect of material and spiritual. The fourth aspect of material knowledge is it just makes you go through life. It just makes you go through life. You just go through it. All the different stages of life. First Poopsie, then Pepsi, and then Hari Ram. I know many of you are stuck at the third stage of your going through life, but one guy is saying, what is better? 1 liter of milk or 1 glass of unadulterated vodka? Which is more powerful? So the guy said, obviously 1 glass of vodka. Said, how? Said, you drink 1 liter of milk and you bang the wall. Does the wall move? And you take one glass of vodka, you don't do anything, it starts moving. Oh my God. Life today has become material knowledge, just makes you go through life, but spiritual knowledge makes you grow through life. Don't go through, grow through life. And in growing through life, like a larva in a cocoon, there is pain. In going through, there is no pain. Galat karne mein koi kasht nahi hai. If you have to do wrong, you're not going to have to do anything. You don't have to go through pain. Later, as a reaction, you'll have to go through pain. But otherwise, to have a great time and a gala time and go around partying and socializing, it's not a big deal. You don't have to go through any pain. But if you want to improve and grow in your life, coming out of the cocoon of your lethargy, coming out of the cocoon of your laziness, coming out of the cocoon of your complacency, it's painful to work hard, to succeed. But we grow as a beautiful butterfly. And therefore, don't just go through, grow through. That is spiritual knowledge. And conclusively, material knowledge is all about information. You know, there is a term called information diarrhea now. खाने के बाद जैसा बहुत सारा क्या होता है, दस्त लगती है. So when you have too much knowledge, they say it's an information diarrhea. New term coined now, new phrase coined in the world. है ना? Overwhelmed by information. Once Aurangzeb told all his soldiers, Mughal soldiers, अरे जाओ शिवाजी को ढूंढ के लाओ. So the Mughal soldiers said, सब घूम के थक गए, हम मुगल है, गूगल नहीं. ढूंढने के लिए शिवाजी को, क्या शिवाजी सर्च डाल के क्या गूगल में ढूंढेगा क्या उसको शिवाजी को? In an age which is so overwhelmed by information, the problem is we forget transformation. So material knowledge is about information, but spiritual knowledge of Paravidya gives us transformation, changes us. How many of you, be honest, in front of God, would like to deal with your bad habits, external or internal, whichever? Good. And does academic knowledge, material knowledge help? It doesn't. How many of you would like to change your attitudes to being positive attitudes despite failure? And does material knowledge help? No. How many of you would like to change your behavioral patterns and character? And does material knowledge help? I have seen material knowledge to make people arrogant, to make people impudent, to make people have audacity and an air around them. The higher they go up, they think that there's something. I'm not talking of everyone. I'm not generalizing. But I see that becomes the characteristic of such knowledge. Knowledge is meant to breed humility. ज्ञान के साथ नम्रता आनी चाहिए. Victory should bring humility. And in that Titanic talk I had said, विजय के साथ साथ होना चाहिए विनय. अगर विजय के साथ विनय नहीं है तो क्या पाया है जिंदगी में हमने? Gentlemen, please join me to summarize the 5 differences between material and spiritual knowledge. Number 1, material gives you a lifestyle and spiritual gives you a life. Number 2, material knowledge is about quantity and spiritual is about quality. And number 3, material gives you prove and spiritual improve. And number 4, material makes you just go through life and spiritual helps you grow through life. And number 5, information and transformation. At our Prerna festival, we come for the second kind, to change. Change our value systems, to change our attitudes, to change our belief systems in a way that our life, our behavior, our words, our academic courses, our work, everything will be positively reformed and changed. And what is the best way to speak? Take what is the frame of reference of everyone else. When Titanic 3D movie came, they asked me to speak on Titanic because sab usme hi atka hai sabka mind. So we chose Titanic 2 years back. And now since the World Cup is going on, we decided we will do cricket. Take small steps, baby steps towards change, but change. One father was asking his son, "Beta, 9 into 8 is how much?" He said, 22. So the father gave him a chocolate. The next day, father asked, how much is 9 into 8? He said, 32. Father gave him a chocolate. The neighbor said, sir, what are you doing? He's giving a wrong answer. How can you do this? He said, look, he may be giving a wrong answer, but yesterday he was saying 22, today he's saying 32, tomorrow he'll say 42. When he reaches 72, I'll say, don't go ahead, beta, now stay here. Ladies and gentlemen, change in life comes with small steps. We may be at 22 and our journey is from 22 to 72 in a habit that we want to deal with. We are at 22, we want to reach 72, and you can't take a leap of 50. Take a baby step of change. A small step of change. One little step from 22 to 22.25. That is also a step ahead of change. And we will definitely change if we come to change our value systems by Paravidya or spiritual knowledge. One guy who used to come for my Gita classes, he used to smoke 63 cigarettes a day. Can you believe that? 63 cigarettes a day. And not surprising, he was into FNOs, futures and options. Always anxious and stressed. 62 to 63 cigarettes a day, that is the minimum. That is like 16 rounds minimum. Then above that he would do more. Above that he would, that is extra rounds. Extra mala. So one day he comes up to me and says, Prabhuji, I want to stop smoking. I said, absolutely not. क्या बोल रहा है smoking बंद करना है? बिल्कुल नहीं. Continue smoking. He was completely flabbergasted hearing my response, not from me at least. I said, please continue smoking 62 daily. You're doing 63, no? Do 62 daily. That leap of 50 is not possible for you, no? 63 to 0, 63 to 62 होगा? क्यों नहीं होगा? एक एक करके आज ये जेंटलमैन 45 पे आ गया है 3 साल में.